Baba Ghanoush, a Mediterranean appetizer or spread that is absolutely delicious and so easy to make. Great for a party or get-together, especially on this Mother's Day. So let me show you how to make it. First off, grab up a couple of good-sized eggplants, and did you know that eggplants are male and female? Female are the ones with the slot, and males are the ones with the dot. And females contain much more seeds than males, so they tell me and we'll see. So we'll just grab up a fork and poke a few holes in these eggplants before they go into the oven, just kind of Norman Bates style. And we only need to go about a 1/4 inch deep just to pierce the skin. Next, these are going into a 400 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 55 minutes until they're wilty and withery and cooked through. Now my friends, our eggplants are done and these are just about perfect. So I am just going to take a knife and make a slice, or in medical terms, an incision down the center, and look at that steam come out. Uh-oh. And there you have it. You can just peel back that skin and that flesh of the eggplant is done perfectly. Wow, this is going to be great. And I think we are right on the male-female thing because I think the female does contain more eggs than the male. So there you go. Then simply grab up a spoon and scoop that flesh out of there. Remove the top from your food processor. And by the way, this video was brought to you by the good folks over at Magiccos, and I'm using their food processor once again and simply just love it. I have done a few other videos on this unit and I will put all the links to those below, plus the information for the food processor itself. And today, of course, we're using the handy dandy chopping blade. Alright, now into the food processor with our eggplant. And try and leave out as much as the juice as possible because it can be bitter, you can even strain it. In with 3 cloves of garlic. And what I usually do is give them a good hit with the knife and the skin just peels away easy breezy. Okay, just go ahead and toss these in. Now in with a 1/4 cup of tahini, which is basically just a sesame paste that you can pick up in any grocery store. And by the way, it does store well and keep, and well worthwhile having on hand. Now do the old rolly job on a fresh lemon just to get it loosey-goosey. Give it a slice in half, and into the food processor with those juices. Try and eliminate the pits if you can. Next up, a good crack of salt, I would say about half a teaspoon. A couple of tablespoons of chopped parsley just for some good luck and a bit of flavor. A couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and if you don't have extra virgin, just use regular old olive oil. Last but not least, a good shake of paprika. Lid on the food processor. Set the speed to about 4, and we're going to process this up for about 4 minutes. I just love the size of the bowl in this unit too, nice and big. Okay guys, this is about the consistency you want, something like this. Doesn't this look good? And I should add too, if you don't have a food processor, a good old potato masher or smasher works fine, just a bit more muscle. Alrighty then, into a serving bowl. And I kinda like to use a pretty bowl because we did work so hard. Onto a plate, and this is kind of the way I serve my Baba Ghanoush up. First of all, garnish it up with some parsley, a few baby carrots. Go ahead and chop up some celery sticks. Throw those onto the plate. Of course, a few nice, ripe, juicy cherry tomatoes or tomatoes. I always add pita chips or crackers too. And last but not least, slice up a cucumber and throw it on as well. And here, my fine, friendly home cooks, is our incredibly easy and delicious Baba Ghanoush. I mean, to me, it simply looks incredible, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser. And you dip into this, guys, it is absolutely spectacular. I mean, the limited number of ingredients we use, the taste is just out of this world. Oh my goodness. Try the other side veggies, whatever else you have on hand, and my goodness, you are simply going to love this. And as I say in every video, if you are hungry for more, like and subscribe.